Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dama and today I have a scrunchie DIY for you guys, and this scrunchie is one of them that I made. This one is the same print. It is slightly bigger just because I want to double it up like that, and it's a really nice light blue background with some limes, and I used this same fabric to make my dog a really cute bandana. If you guys have not seen it, I will link it down below so you guys check it out. So I made this one, and I also made this really cute floral one, and I have a ton of this fabric as well. I have like a little it's like a two-piece, and this would be really cute if I pair it as well, so it's all matching. So if you guys want to see how I did these little scrunchies, make sure to keep on watching. So first I'm going to start with the elastic, and this is the elastic that I have. There's also black, and this one measures about 7 inches, and the length of it can vary per the thickness of your hair. If you have thicker hair, you might want it a little longer. If you have thinner hair, you probably want it a little shorter. Perhaps I have really thick hair, so I'm going to do 7 inches. And the fabric I already pre-cut as well. This can also vary. You can change it up depending on how thick you want the scrunchie or like the fabric to show. So this is 3.5 by 12 inches. I'm pretty sure it was 12 inches. Yes, so by 12 inches. So make sure you cut that 3.5 by 12 inches and your elastic. So the next step is to sew this side. I'm just going to sew one side. I'm going to zoom into it, and this is kind of the one that I was using as a guide. This one I bought at Walmart. It's Goody, and I really like it because it's nice and small. It's really comfortable for my hair. So now I'm going to zoom in right here. So the first step of sewing is just going to be sew straight across. It doesn't matter how thick the little tunnel is. We won't be using the tunnel to put in anything, so it doesn't really matter. So just make sure you just sew right on top. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. So the next step, once I've done this side, is going to be fold it in half like this. So once I've pinned it down, all you're going to do is sew straight across right on top. So this is what it looks once it's sewn on the bottom. Now all I'm going to do is turn it inside out, and I'm going to use a safety pin for that. And all you're going to do is insert it on one end, close it up, and just glide the safety pin downwards. And now the next step is to insert the elastic. So I'm just going to grab my safety pin, do it on one end, and insert it in the inside of the little tunnel. And once you've put the elastic on the inside, you're going to just put one on top of the other, and you're going to sew straight across, uniting both ends of the elastic. And once you've sewn your elastic on the inside, this is the final step. So you're going to just put the side that was not sewn inside of the other side that was sewn. So you're just going to go ahead and tunnel it in. So once you've done that, all you're going to have to do now is sew straight on top across. So this is the first one that I did, and after that I needed a little, just for my hair, I made the elastic a little longer, and I also made the fabric longer. So this is the second one that I did, the same fabric, and I also did this one as well. And for my hair, I do need it to be a little longer, so I did these, and these is kind of cool for like a pony, like a half pony. So this is how they turned out. They're so cute, and I'm gonna make some Halloween ones as well, and you can make these with different fabric. This is a different fabric from this one. This is 100% cotton. This is kind of like it looks silk, but it's not, and it's a really pretty fabric, and this is how they turned out. They turned out really, really cute, and I have been wearing these frequently just because they're really comfortable on your like scalp. It doesn't feel like super tight as opposed to the typical hair ties. So I have been using, I don't have too many of these are like my additions, but I have like some brown ones, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make some more just because I have been liking them a lot. If you guys happen to make them as well, make sure to hashtag DAMAV425 so I see your guys' creations. And make sure to also subscribe if you haven't already. Click that notification bell so you guys are notified every time I upload a video. And follow me on all my social media at DAMAV425. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.